Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. If you have been following along with the channel, you know that we lifted the truck. If you're new to the channel, what we've done is we've added a Dobinson lift to the truck. So it's a little bit higher, looks good. You can go check out those videos. But for the lift, we also have a new set of tires coming. So what I've done is I've actually gone to the shop that's doing the tires and I've got them to take the tpms sensors out of here, so I can put them in the new tires. It's all ready to go when I get there. I don't have to wait around so long. So right now we have none in the truck. I put just normal valve stems back in, and in turn, when you turn on the truck now, you can see up top here, you get your little warning light flashing. It'll flash for a bit, then it goes solid, and it's just telling you, hey, something's wrong with the truck. It's not a check engine light, nothing like that. It's just letting you know that something is wrong with the vehicle. The thing that I found weird is the settings and everything are all in the middle of your dash here. You can push on the button here and it scrolls through everything, shows you what's up. And now, of course, you go to the tire pressure screen. It's not going to show anything at this point, even if you have them in, because we haven't driven yet, so it doesn't pick it up right away. But it's showing that it all has no pressure. Now, that light blinking up top, I know because I took them out that that is the reason for it. But the thing I find weird is if you don't know what's going on, there is nowhere in these screens that tells you what is going on. So you can flip through everything. It gives you info on just about everything you can imagine. All these settings as well. Alerts, you would think, okay, maybe it's an alert, but that is just a timer thing. It's not actually an alert for the truck or what's being alerted with the lights. So again, you go through all this stuff here. Got all your maintenance alerts and everything in here, but it doesn't actually tell you what is blinking on your dash. It doesn't tell you what's wrong. So what it does do is if you have your truck set up to the Nissan Connect, it will actually send you an email. So every time I start my truck up now until I get the new tires put on, it sends me an email saying, hey, your tire pressure is low or your TPMS sensor is not working. I know that because I took them out, but my point is, if you don't have the app, something as simple as low tire pressure or a sensor not working, you're going to have to bring this in to Nissan, give them to look at your truck, and like I said, this is something, you know, if it's a sensor not working, it's as simple as just switching it out. This is a brand new truck, it would still be under warranty, but if you aren't driving a brand new truck and you don't have warranty left, you could bring it to the shop, and everybody knows when you come to these shops nowadays, they charge you a diagnostic fee and all that. So something that you could possibly just fix in your own garage or fix at a cheaper shop somewhere down the road, you now have to bring it in, get them to hook it up, and figure out what this light is for. So I thought that's kind of a weird thing that Nissan has put in their truck here. Just a pain in the butt. Kind of a way to try to get people to come into the shop, I would believe, is what they're aiming for. They don't want other people working on their vehicles. But again, if you don't have this hooked up to the app, and it's something super simple and super cheap, now not only do you have to make an appointment with the dealership, but you also have to pay their fees, and then if whatever it is going on has to be fixed, you're also paying for that. So just a little bit of a pain in the butt. Something weird I thought with the truck. They give you warnings and lights on your dash, but you can't actually check what they're for.